This is how you're going to refund or cancel an Etsy order. So first thing that you're going to do is log into your Etsy account and go to the shop manager or go to the sign in and then log into your account. And then once you have logged in, just tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then just click on purchases and reviews. Now, once you click on that, you're going to take a look at all of the orders that you currently have available and find the order that you want to cancel. Now from there, if you can't see the cancel or refund option, since before it goes through the seller, you're going to have to receive an email first, right? So what you're going to do is to head over to your Gmail account and then you're going to find the transaction that confirmed your Etsy order. Now you're going to click on the notification or the sender that sent it to you. Just click on that and then you're going to email that sender that you want to cancel or you want to refund the product that you have just ordered, because in Etsy usually you're gonna have to send emails and confirmations and you can't just directly cancel from the app as well, because some of them requires some confirmation from the seller. And that's it. That is how you're going to refund or cancel an Etsy order. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more.